Alright guys, back on James's Delta 88. So, hold on. Let me grab a light for you guys, because you guys won't be able to see too much. But I dropped the new radiator in. There's the old one right there. That's a different one. And that one was leaking, obviously, so that's why we're changing it out. And the new one is a little thinner. With the way technology and everything's gone, you know, radiators are not what they used to be, or not how they used to be, but it's a lot thinner. And as a result, these on the side are also thinner. If you look at this, you know, do my scientific measurement, and I bring this over here, you can see that is a lot more than that. Meaning, and this measurement on top here, like that measurement, is the same on all four corners. So down here, actually, the isolators, I think is what Bobby called them, are too big. We need 2 3/8, I believe. Let me set that. And then, as you guys can see, all the plate down there. So I think probably looked to see if there was if we could order 2 3/8 ones, but no one was making them, so we couldn't. So we're gonna end up probably having to make something. I know Scotty before has done it with some rubber hose. You take some rubber hose and cut it in half, and you use it to brace it. I know we've done that before. It's perfectly okay. There's no worries there. It's just rubber. So, yeah, that's gotta get done. I'm gonna tighten up that. The lower radiator hose down there, and I'll probably just set those in. I think. I don't want to tighten it down because I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to pull this again. So actually, no, I won't tighten up hose clamps because we're just gonna have to pull it again. So that'd be stupid. Just wasting my time and everyone else's time. But yeah, we're getting there. As I say in almost every video, one step at a time. Coolant's out, obviously. Got our radiator cap. But yeah, just that's our main issue right now. And then I figured out a fix for this. On the bottom, I showed you guys that one broke. So we will, or not we, but I will tighten down all 3 that I can, and then down there, I put that one on last, and it'll still clamp it, and it'll be tight. I just gotta do that one last instead of doing it first. So it'll still clamp down and everything, and there's no worries about that. So, yeah. As I always say, one step at a time.